Hello Iceland and hello Greta. I really love your song. I was so sad that it didn't make it to the final and that it cannot be on stage tonight, but I really wanted to do a little cover for you, so here's Hear Them Calling by me. We shiver as we step into the cold, cold night. Then we're running, we are running now. I hear them calling me, I hear them whispering. They're singing now, we're coming home. I hear them calling me, I hear them calling. Singing now, we're coming home. Thank you very much for listening.